In this lesson, you will learn what an instruction is, what an instruction set means, and how the CPU uses opcodes and operands. You will also see common instructions such as add, LDA, STA, and jump. What is an instruction? An instruction is a command that tells the CPU to carry out one operation. A computer program contains many instructions arranged in a sequence. Instructions may tell the CPU to add values, load data, store data, or move to another instruction. A machine instruction usually contains two parts, an opcode and an operand. The opcode tells the CPU which operation to perform. The operand identifies the value, register, or memory location used by that operation. Opcode. The opcode is the action part of an instruction. It is decoded by the control unit. For example, in the instruction add 7, add is the opcode. It tells the CPU to perform an addition operation. Operand. The operand tells the CPU what data or location to use. It may be a number, a register, or a memory address. In add 45, 45 is the operand. It is the value used by the add operation. What is an instruction set? An instruction set is the complete list of instructions that a particular CPU can understand and execute. Different processors may use different instruction sets. The CPU can only process instructions supported by its own electronic design. Instruction sets are limited. A CPU understands only a limited number of opcodes. Each supported opcode has a matching electronic operation inside the processor. A made-up instruction, such as magic, cannot be decoded or executed unless it is part of the instruction set. Common instruction examples. Add means add a value. LDA means load data from a memory location. STA means store data in a memory location. JMP means move to another instruction. The exact names may differ between instruction sets, but the opcode and operand idea remains the same. Fetch, decode, execute link. During the fetch stage, an instruction is collected from memory. During the decode stage, the control unit interprets the opcode. During the execute stage, the CPU carries out the operation. The operand identifies the data or location needed. Programs and CPU instructions. Programs written in languages such as Python or Java must be translated into machine instructions. A compiler or interpreter performs this translation. High-level code is easier for people to understand, while the CPU needs low-level instructions from its instruction set. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more IGCSE Computer Science revision. Visit www.tuitionharbor.com or email hello@tuitionharbor.co.uk.